So, this is going to be a little short video, 3 minutes or less. I want to talk about a new age because it's my birthday coming up. Everybody's birthday comes, doesn't it? Would you want to jump back in your body and go back and repeat that old age again? I call it the new age because I don't want to go back and repeat that age again. We are evolving. We are growing. Some call it awakening. And some call it waking up because you've been asleep. We've been asleep. That's what they call the matrix. That everybody is just like slowly waking up. And eventually, I think everybody's supposed to wake up. I don't know. But Jesus said he ain't coming back till everybody get it right, get it together, or get it. Don't let me start. Don't start me to preaching because I'm not a preacher. But I call it new age because I don't want to go back to the old. I wrote all this down because ain't no way I could do this all in 3 minutes and remember everything that I wanted to say. So yeah, I don't want to go back to the old, which is the old age that I was. Okay, I'm a new person, a new creature in Christ. I'm a new me with new growth levels, new achievements, new endeavors. All things new. God says, I'm doing a new thing. Don't you perceive it? And if I'm not mistaken, Isaiah 19 is coming to me right now. So it might be Isaiah 19:41. I'm not sure. But I know it's Isaiah, and I believe it's chapter 19. But don't you perceive I'm doing a new thing? So I have reached new levels financially, physically, and spiritually. Okay, and all things are new. So yes, in the new age, what did it say? All things are new. So yes, I'm in the new age. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I'm in the new age, and God is moving. So let's call it a new age movement. So get on board. That's all I really wanted to say. You can call it what you want to. Everybody have their own perceptions, their own opinions, and their own rear ends, I can safely say. So this is mine. This is my channel, and this is where I can voice my rear end. Sorry, but not sorry. Hey, it's good to be back, y'all. I'm back in full effect. Don't play with it, baby.